Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying there's no scheduled outage. Check your phone for Virgin Media alerts. Once confirmed, power cycle the hub immediately, unplug the power for 30 seconds, wait a full minute, then reconnect. Make sure to watch the light sequence and note which LEDs come on and when. This helps diagnose signal issues. If the hub never reaches steady green after 2 minutes, you now have concrete details to use in the next configuration and signal checks. Next, check the physical path. Ensure the coax and Ethernet cables are tight, undamaged, and free of corrosion at connectors. Then log into the hub's admin UI and open the status page to read downstream and upstream SNR, power levels, and CRC error counts. These numbers explain why speeds drop. Once done, run a wired speed test and compare to Wi-Fi. If wired is stable but wireless is poor, you'll focus on channel, interference, or location, rather than the line. To finish, perform a factory reset only if configuration errors persist. After resetting, reconfigure SSID and strong passwords and recheck connectivity. If problems continue, contact Virgin Media and provide precise details, timestamps, LED patterns, SNR and CRC/error log values, and results from wired versus Wi-Fi tests so support can escalate efficiently. Finally, use an Ethernet connection or a mobile hotspot as
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.